Wondering why your tattoos aren't healing the way you want? There's a huge difference between machines, the mechanics, motor, and even the stroke length. All of these play a massive role in how well the machine penetrates the skin and delivers ink. And contrary to popular belief and rumors, a short stroke can actually cause more trauma. When you dig into the mechanics, you'll see what I speak about. The velocity of the needle at skin contact actually plays a very big role in how much trauma we're causing to the skin. And think cranking up the frequency is the answer? Think again, it just chews up the skin much faster. I see some beautiful large blackouts being done with extremely slow machines and still large areas accomplished with no trauma. It's all about understanding the pieces of the puzzle and not just looking for quick fixes. Tattooing color realism isn't just about application. It's just as much about understanding color theory, knowing how colors interact, how to blend and layer them, and create those subtle but harmonious shifts in color. You gotta understand how to build depth and vibrancy with just the right color combinations. Without these skills, even the perfect technique falls flat. Getting that glow effect on your tattoos is all about contrast, but also about color theory, understanding how those colors transition harmoniously towards light. In addition to that, we need to be able to really pack in those colors solidly for the colors to last and look good for a long time. The same goes for more muted color tones as well. But with these, the understanding of colors is even more important. I think give makes tattooing less traumatic. Let's dig into why it might actually be the opposite. Many machines and artists as well advertise give as a really good thing to work with when we're tattooing, making it softer to tattoo. But in reality, using mechanical gives, such as springs on some plunger bars we see today, actually oppose the very thing we're trying to achieve, an efficient and clean puncture of the skin, reaching the correct depth. Electronic give is a different way of reducing the optimal penetration of the skin. In tattooing, high needle velocity at skin contact is what we need to efficiently puncture the skin without causing unnecessary trauma to the surrounding tissue, or even worse, not even reaching the right layer of the skin. Ever wonder why some tattoos look off even when they're technically perfect? Here's why. Tattooing is just one piece of the puzzle. A technically flawless tattoo can still look weird if the design itself doesn't flow. Understanding the basics of composition, flow, and color theory is essential for creating visually appealing tattoos, no matter what the style is. It's all about making certain parts of the piece stand out and make sure that the piece fit the body, move with it, and use the color and contrast effectively. When you master these design elements, that's when your tattoos truly start standing out. If you want to learn more about creating powerful designs, I'm giving away a 10-hour light version of my tattoo masterclass for free. Just comment course below and I'll send you access.